Okay, I'm going to try and redo this video again since when I tried it the first time it really messed up for whatever reason with the sound. So this is another video for the for the demonstration of the different cards that I've printed from rangerboard. It's the sungel. So here we go. That was a cool sound using Gosei. You can't get it by itself. You need to use this in order to obtain it. Nice. Okay, so I don't close it all the way. So sue me. Yeah, I don't really mind just picking out these ones since they are custom and I put them in a plastic film, so these will be fine for protection. Yeah, I skipped that one because I realized it was the same sound as the night dynamic card. So I'm going to fit cloned card in. There we go. No idea. That is from Monster Ranger. Now, this card I realize is the exact same sound as the card you would, well, the sound you would get for the Gosei ground card, which you get with the Leon Cellular, but still. Keep this until I mention I get Leon Cellular. Almost done. Short and simple, that one. Short and simple gut tie. And that's a cheat there because they say pink senshi instead of whatever the Japanese word for pink is. And the last card of the pile, which is actually, if you see the series of Gosei as well as Megaforce, you can see that the codes are like this on the cards, where it's just all single lines. But yeah, when you have it in toy form, and you put it into the tensouder, not sure about the Gosei Morph, but when you put it in this, it's an error sound, so no official noise for that. Now don't forget something. Well, unless you've seen my original video and you know about this, some of these cards are available in a deluxe format, just so to speak. For the vinyl figures, each of them come with a change card, with the exception of Gosei Red. It comes with the card Gosei, which is the Sparks Gun Power card, as well as going to Megaforce now. Gosei Knight, he'll get the Nightic Brothers, so there are those. These ones are customs. And then, see which one was it. The Sig Bogon comes with the Gosei Buckle. These two kind of cards, I don't think were released in a deluxe set, but each of the dynamic cards were each released with the corresponding weapons in the sets for the Sky Buster and the Land Sea Buster. You get this card with the Leon Laser. As I explained, this one comes with the Gosei Red Vinyl. And then each of these attack cards all come in the Daiso game, except for this one. I don't think it's official. The Dragon Headed card comes with the Gosei Blaster, again from the game. This card comes with the Hyper Change Header. This comes with Datus. If you get the first release bonus, you get all 5 versions of the Summon Miracle Header, but if you just get it by itself without the first release bonus, you only get the one for red, but they all do the same stuff anyway. Summon Gosei Tiger comes with the buckle as well, as well as the Shark Header, I forgot. The Brothers cards, with the exception of the Exotic Brothers and the Magic Brothers, all come with their sets. The Mystic Brother comes with the Mystic Brothers, and these 3 with their own corresponding sets. The Gosei Wonder, I think, comes with this card, which is the Summon Wonder Power, and then you get the Dual Combine card with Datas as well, and then you get the Ultimate Charge with the Gosei Ultimate, the New Charge card, which is the you charge for change ground. What am I saying? The Gosei Ground, and then each of these. This was the one that was included in the Gosei Buckle tensouder set, which is this Gosei Red, and then the rest of these were just part of the Daiso game. They didn't come with anything else in particular, and then this was just like a custom card, and that's all. So I hope this came out better this time, and we'll just see if it comes up better on YouTube. So see ya.